Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will tell you why you are not getting any Facebook followers. You want to gain more followers but you are not getting anywhere, and I want to show you in this video. You just have to listen because it is very important. Okay, there are things that you need to keep in mind, things that you might be neglecting, that you were ignoring for a longer time, and I do not want you to miss this, so you just need to listen. First I will talk in English, and then later I will communicate in mother tongue. I will talk in Tognat or in Nur. The reason why you are not getting any Facebook followers, number one is lack of consistent posting. If you don't post regularly, people lose interest. Facebook reward consistency. If you keep on being consistent and uploading always, then Facebook will recommend your page or your profile to other people that can follow you. Number two, low quality content, like blurry image. You upload the image that does not have quality, and again posting poorly written posts or unengaging videos make people scroll and bypass without following you. If you upload a video that do not have any quality on Facebook, people will skip that video and they will not watch it. Number three, not knowing your audience. If your content does not connect with the people that you want to reach, they won't follow. You need to know your audience. Audience are the people that are reading your posts, people that are watching your video, and people that are commenting on your video. Number four, no engagement. If you don't reply to comment, react to message, or interact with other pages, people feel ignored. Let's say if you post something on your Facebook and then people comment there and you fail not to comment on those comment section, people feel neglected, so they will ignore you and they will not follow you. So you need to keep it in mind that you need to engage with people. Number five, you do not have clear niche. No clear niche, like you do not know what to do. You do not even know what your page is about. Posting random, unrelated content confuse people. You need a clear focus. Like you can come up with a niche whether you are doing news, you are teaching, your page is about entertainment or about motivation, and so many. Okay, so if you just keep on posting random topics that are not related, people will not get what your page is all about. So you need to focus on one thing. If yours is about motivation, you just keep on motivating people by posting motivation thing. So if yours is about entertaining, like comedy, doing comedy and others, so those who like comedy will follow you and they will make sure that they hit the follow button. Number seven, not promoting your page. If you don't share your page link on other platforms like YouTube, WhatsApp, TikTok, etc., fewer people will find you. If you do not put the link of your page, for example, you comment and then you don't put something that, let's say if you made a video on YouTube and then you post that video without putting a link where they can get your page, people will not get your page, so your page will not be followed. So you need to make sure that you put a link on the description of your video. Number 8, ignoring trend. If you don't follow current topic, hashtag or viral style, your posts will reach a wider audience. Trends are the things that are happening right now, that the people are talking about. So you need to follow what is happening or the current event that are taking place. So if we just keep on posting all the stuff without, going online and check what is trending, people will not follow you. So you need to make sure that what is happening right now, and that is the thing that you need to focus on when there's something happening. Number 9, no call to action. You are not asking people to like, follow, or share your page in your posts or videos. Many people are making mistake on this. When they post something, or when they posting, uploading picture or videos, they don't tell people that please make sure you like, comment, share, and follow. You just uploading. You just upload it thinking that people will follow you. No, you need to ask people to follow you. Otherwise, no one will follow you. So you need to make sure on that. Number 10, impatient. Growing follower take time. Many people quit too early. So you see, sometimes you might thought that your channel will grow overnight, like without putting too much work on it. Nothing will grow without working. The solution is stay consistent, post engaging content always, interact with people, focus on your niche, and promote across platform. Jowo me mugora benyoga yekel ka tungnat. Do badan deri channel deri promote keje jenamo goro no bana linkela. Channel deri promote de, me tika Facebook, because right now Facebook there's a lot of things to talk to go there and there kangach. Me jira man ko don deri take a follower to one. Ne tanat quick can do brand they can follow they can keje. Ajen kwala goro no deri jidi pian ka tin kon tin deri lat. Ko jin de Facebook do dara kula take a follower to one. Ne tin one kwai keje. So jen gor mono bakula nywa yekel. Take a one go no jin deri gor ala mi jira man go don deri take a follower to one ka Facebook. Manyama wajin misha post ni chang. Misha pose ka Facebook alo la tele time ke Facebook ko gori follower chi be we wonyam chi follower chi gabje moradien mla ture micha gujagwa la ja pose kala article ke right micha linga gwa na be post akeneri aleka ka gwadan chi gor keje cha jibe gor tene de binyung buganok mala video ba micha mala micha jangach mi bilaja le ko online achana achaglok chaje be gor ba jiramamo diodien mi kujine ten content gor ke jeno ka ngane anga bijukulo gorono mi le content ki roine ki video nde cha ngajena men lokana na teram biju gor bineti kono gor jibi ko kon ngajeno nguno kanamo ki mi jan teram biju gor ngene ne kono ngumu nokkanamo. That is your own research. Mandere lat right now. Jin karor de do mandere gor. Man wandien, no engagement. Like she go no break na ka online. Chenkina she can comment. She go no jin bu gor. Be mandan she can lat be gor. Be follower ku ba big tet big kwa. Mongon page do taping. So she follower she ka bijek. So make sure no meteram she comment. Dungulel be gor ka be lojan message ka do mo go we loja jek talk ram barobar. Be follower ku big jen. Especially the corner la tunu gel kana less online, be comment low kudana. These people they and tell like a follower jekenka. Ko men lat kana chen narung chow chuploy nat. Didian man gore be long. This is very important. Jin mitelle micho kwany mbelat. La piga ka mi dong si benejen be chu pose. Take day focus kakel. Gore jeno be category dung you page be jager. Be ger be mananan dong de pedi nang niam ala be focus kakel dundu jin me dong raje raje ke porje mi aleka dong go ne jen wo jin teacher ke tem rodien melade go jen be focus kakel mo dundu mela ladna roi nitin mela ngi jinna dunne comedy a jin preacher ajin motivation no speaker mula roi ne ko na motivate ka do mo gor je be focus ka kel ajin blede ka mo ko gwam ber ba pe di baje kula ngi je ne ton ban mala you just pose random unrelated topic ano so na mo be follower ku be ga jaka ku ko shi kana bno ane mo dong ti ga channel mo di mo dong te follower ngwan yan do badan dong de kula pose ka ane mo gor mo de lat but right now ko jera mo start ni channel ko gori follower gor jen wojin big te ke nich ke mo bu kwan an wo belat kwan kel me kel chu lele je bang bam ni je bang de yo ngani channel me te ngi je na ka do badan de ran social media de je use ka je so ko focus ka ngu ka technology bakalien gor jen wojin okay bi turn to go be kale online bi video no ko be kale online okay wona katin kon dong gujin wode nok barawdien jin mi ci peydo ci je promote ci pose ka tana lo ci ya comment kan de ko ken ka ci ja pose ka youtube do la youtube video fin da te gwala ngwa gar katin ka ci wo ka whatsapp gar pin bo tiktok bi lo gar pin wate ne de ngwanda ba page ba je so be de ka follower te tiene badak dien mi jira mon mo mi te me pay to ka be pal lo ci pose ka kwide te rambe je gor chalke trend ignoring trend keten to hotel me pele lo chira ke kwiden awate rambe je gor ba ko ken content gor ke no baling ke jan gwasama mray na ka kwid mo ke jan gwasama jan mandan bright ten ba bangwandien jin mi ci na tika tech ano gora nyak kwadu no kwaje cheer nga biji go te rambe je gor you need to ask people na no kono ba ka tech ka longa dan te ke jalla lo jen la te be ken gor welen gwasame ne tungwan la karin mala luer impatient bro luer no luer mi che jalon te la subscriber te la follower kwije anu na me gor lat you need to work hard mi shi lada te la way mi baji gor keja so gor jen wojina bi ga len siang la consistency gor jelon gor jeno bi ngwan be ka pose ka facebook do ni siang gor je ba anu bi haraje kana ni siang online then be focus along kamandan and lat pejuje okay so be focus ten mo so be jikulel wak so me shit kana me dere keep in mind me use Facebook so gor jeno mi jira ma jidit kashi channel me je kashi tugo na mi beno gwasme gor jeno jen dere lwak dere subscribe ka jen YouTube channel me ka dere follow ba ka Facebook page jo ala siang kodnyak gwaya en ban nyo je mer den chuje foga no jen bitin kon lat gwal buka goni siang ko gwada me bitin dial be ka jek tin konen gor mite makan la ray gwal ko gori no dere ngaj ka no je long lere ga ba video da ba jalati immediately okay me gori ja teja ka ba gori en mandana don gori dere ngaj so chlo te dan bi ataka mal bye bye